Welcome back guys. Today we'll be installing upgrades on the XIAOMI Jimny here. We'll be installing the 180 motor sponsored by WPL C24 and the metal drive shaft. The tools you need for this upgrade is the hex key set, which you need the 0.9, 1.3, 1.5 and 2.0 hex key. Well, let's start working on it now. After removing the car shell, we will need to remove the motor, gearbox and drive shaft from the chassis. We'll start by removing the plate here. Then, remove these 3 screws to unmount the gearbox.
Jack it up.
Then you will need to remove this wire holder here. There are 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. Now you can unplug the motor and pull it out. Next, we remove the drive shaft from the axle. If we compare the 180 motor to the stock motor, we can see that it's bigger and have a way longer shaft here. So we have to cut the shaft to a more suitable length. So this is how the 180 motor shaft should look like after cutting it. It has just enough space to fit in the metal drive shaft. So now, let's fix our drive shaft to the gearbox. Don't forget to install the shaft also to the axles. Finally, we can install our motor, but it's quite big and it won't fit, so we have to detach the receiver first, put the motor in, and then only we put the receiver back on top of the motor. I mounted the gearbox with some glue tag, and this is how they look like now. And finally, we can put everything back together and test this 180 motor out.